Time for a clean. Some of the tools that I'm using. This is the Chemical Guys gerbil brush. Good to get right in between here. Once you've got it all wet, you can get all into the spokes and around the corners. Wash mitt, water bucket, rims off. Let's go. Sorry, I also forgot the sticky citrus wheel cleaner. So I can get right behind these brakes calipers. And you can see the dirt there, and it comes off nicely. And again, right in the back of the rotors, and get right in there. Remember, what you use on the tires, do not use on your vehicle, on the body. You will pick up a lot of crap and scratch the car. Again, one less extra scrub to make sure I'm getting into the nooks and crannies and all in the back. And I'm going to continue on to all the rest of the wheels. Same thing for the caps. For those of you that do keep them on, they will get dusty and dirty in the back. I use my sticky citrus cleaner from Chemical Guys. Product that I use. They're located here in Mississauga, so it is convenient for me. And then I will do the same thing. And I'll take the gerbil and get into all the corners, which I can't get to with that brush. The clips that can get dirty. Basically, this is pretty gentle on it. And of course, can't forget the other side. And I give it another quick burst on both sides. And then I rinse it down. Rinse them down, I basically let them sit. Today is good because we got the sun, but it is cooler, so it's not extremely hot, so they'll have to sit a little bit longer. 20 minutes basically each side, almost like you're cooking. Again, that gerbil gets right in there too. next video I'll show how I clean inside. That is material, it's almost like felt, but a hard felt, and that's a little different. But again, rinsing off the back, it stays the same, except the gerbil can't get behind there. That's tough. But you can clean up pretty much the brake, and in here, give it a good rinse. And same thing with this. Both sides. And now I'm actually going to turn the car around because the sun is on the other side, so these can dry in the sun. Like I mentioned, I turned the car the other way, so these are drying up in the sun, and I will do the same, but then also take a cloth and make sure that it is dry and get any little mist spots just in case. And that's it. So there you have it. This is what I do while I'm waiting for version 10 with advanced summons to come to Canada. Not anytime soon, I'm guessing. So in the meantime, I'm going to continue cleaning the car and just wait and wait, because I'm close to the garage, which I have the mesh Wi-Fi, so the car is connected to the Wi-Fi. So hopefully it comes by the time I'm done this. I know it's not going to have the smart summons, but better than nothing. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.